Hi everyone, welcome to Sinochip Agriculture Drone Live Broadcasting. My name is Leon, and I have my colleague Cyrus in the chatting room taking care of customer questions. Today we are going to introduce our best-selling agricultural spraying drone, model number T16. As you can see, that this is very big.
And we can see some clients was very interested in our product, and we raised some questions from the clients, and they want to know what is the size about our product.
Okay. Speaking of the size, it's a 4-axis drone, and the length, the unfolded length, is about 109 centimeters by 109 centimeters. So it's about like a children height. And it is also foldable. If you fold it down, the size could be like 50% smaller. And an adult or a man can easily carry the folded drone anywhere.
And the client say it has 4 motors. That is to stay to fly, isn't it?
Yes. As you can see that this is the motor set. This is the Sinochip brand, our own motor. And this is the electric speed controller. So the motor power is up to 110 kV. When the 4 motors rolling up, they can take up maximum 40 kgs of the drone to the sky. So it's quite strong, like Hercules.
Yeah, and some clients want to know how long it can fly with 2 batteries.
That's a very good question. Usually we will have 2 batteries here. It really depends when the water tank is fully loaded with pesticide, and then the hovering, the flying time is around 15 minutes. But when the drone is empty, the water tank is empty, then it can fly approximately 25 minutes.
Yeah, and some clients say want to know they can easily change the batteries and keep the drone fly, right?
Yes. Usually our customers, they will prepare about 3 or 5 sets of batteries. So they will also prepare like a generator or a car to quick charge batteries in the field. In this case, they can quickly, when the drone finishes spraying or finish 2 sets of batteries, then they will fly back automatically, and then the pilot will change the batteries quickly so that the drone can fly back to the field, the farming field, very quickly, and then no waste of time.
Yeah, and some customers say there is a camera with 2 LED lights in the front of our product. Yeah.
Oh yeah. As you can see, it's quite obvious. We install 1 HD camera with each agriculture drone, and the video image will be transmitted wirelessly it's like a live transmission. The resolution is about 1 million pixels, and we also have 2 LED lights here. The LED light brightness is about 1000 lumens. So with this camera, the pilot can have a live view, have a first person view, so they can control the drone safer and easier. And with the LED lights, sometimes our customer, they will spray the pesticide in the evening or in the night. So it's quite dark outside, so we need the LED light to illuminate the darkness to see everything. Yeah.
Yeah, and me and the client, all sounds is very smart to ourselves. And what about the GPS?
Yeah. We have 1 or 2 GPS here. GPS for precise positioning is very important, and also we have radar here to detect the obstacles. These 2 devices, they are very important for autopilot. So with these 2 devices, the pilot can they stop the drone, and then they leave everything to the control. Automatically they will finish the spraying by themselves. Yeah.
Yeah, and we know some client was interested in his important part, spraying system. Is any special about it?
Yes. We have a 16 liter water tank here. But I'm going to surprise you with some efficiency data. For example, the drone can spray about 3.5 liters liquid per minute. The drone can fly about 10 meters per second, so the speed is very quick. And when you see this part, the spraying nozzle, the wide is about 3 to 5 meters wide. And you can see we have 4 nozzles here. So with 2 nozzles combined, the spraying wide is approximately 10 meters. It's pretty wide. It can cover a very big area. And most importantly, the drone can spray, can finish spraying pesticides the numbers 8 hectares per hour. So that's a lot of land.